everybody. So guess what? Today is a different kind of a day. Here we have Sean, Brett, Quinn, me, Tanya, and Brian's driving. We are on our way to go ice fishing. So this is going to be an adventure. So come join us. So we're here. We're still in the truck driving. We're told to meet some friends across the lake there. So first time here ever. We're gonna see if we end up in the right spot. So right now we're driving across the middle of a lake. Crazy. In a 1-ton truck. There's some other people. At least there's some more people up ahead. So we have arrived. This looks like somebody has been here. There's lots of tracks. There's some old holes. Here's me. Hi. Other people are nearby fishing. So hopefully this isn't the abandoned spot that nobody was catching fish, so they left. I don't know. Here's a hole. Looks fairly recent that people left. We'll find out. We might end up going somewhere else. If our friends arrive and say, nope, not here, let's go somewhere else, we'll see. But anyways, meanwhile, here we are. And Quinn is still recovering from his broken foot. See, he's getting his crutches out. He's officially allowed to walk on it, but it's still pretty sore. How's it going, man?
Huh?
How's it going?
We're gonna need a big auger.
Oh. Good thing you got cowboy boots. Come on, man. You got this.
Huh?
That's deep ice. Thick ice. Yeah. When you do that, there should be water coming. Our friends are here. They're like, you're probably in the wrong spot. Did you make it? Oh, it's wetter. Woohoo! Oh dear, I don't like the sounds of that. Ice cracking. Alright, so this is my first attempt. This is a hole that was abandoned by the last people. Oh, Yeah, see, it looks like it's still... Let's see if we can get water in it. I'm wrong. It looks promising, but it's like solid frozen, so I'm not able to break that open. Fresh hole. Woohoo! Cool. I'm gonna drop this down and see. We'll probably try a different bait, but let's see how deep it is at least. So I put the line down, the hook down, and you can see how it's all twirly. So the hook is sitting on the bottom, and I'm going to close that and spin it a little bit so it tightens up. So this is just above the bottom now. You can see the line is tighter. So we've never fished for trout before, so I think we need bait, but this gives us an idea of how deep it is.
No. No.
Ah. Brian's seeing if there's any movement down there. He uses his coat to see underneath. So I'm using an antique tip up here. The spring is under that hook there. It's an old antique thick string, and we will see if this works. I have a hole over here. I have different bait on my comfy chair, and I can watch my other tip up from here. Still going down. I've reached bottom. You can see my fishing line is all curled up. I'm going to tighten it and be about a foot above the bottom, and they'll jig. It's peaceful. Well, good news and bad news. We had fun. It was a beautiful day. caught one fish. So that's good. We'll have to come back another day, so I guess it's good news and good news. Thanks for watching. This is Farmer Always.